This is the TwoTrees SK1, a very nice 3D printer that I have been using for over a year now. It has excellent hardware, and I was able to upgrade the version of Clipper it shipped with, so the only issue I've had with it is that it is rather prone to heat creep. This means that PLA and softer materials tend to get caught up in the extruder, which is rather tedious to disassemble. However, I found this nice extruder cover replacement that not only helps with the filament path, but also adds a few small openings that seem to help things cool off a bit. I've been considering adding a small extra fan to the tool head and designing a new cover, but this seems to have done the trick for now. As you can see, it's very easy to put together. You can find the original file on printables, and I will add the link to the description, as well as links to my review and notes on the device.